Good morning, children. Let us start a new lesson in EVS. Before starting, children, I hope you all may be knowing what work does your father do. Some of your fathers do jobs or they have their own business. Children, what would you like to be when you grow up? So, some of you want to be a teacher. Some have the dream of becoming a doctor, some engineer. So, children, let us start lesson number 22. Who fulfills our needs? Students, air, water, food, and shelter are the basic needs of every living thing. They are our basic needs as well, but human beings have many other needs besides these. For example, children, we need clothes to wear, teachers to guide us, and a doctor if we fall ill. So, consumption of basic needs is not just food, water, clothing, and shelter, but also sanitation, education, and health care. Children, different people work to fulfill our various needs. Their work fulfills some of our needs as well as their own needs. So, children, such work is called an occupation. Occupation is a job or a profession. It refers to the field or type of work people perform. So, such work is called an occupation. Now, children, what are the types of occupations? Nature based occupations are agriculture, fishing, then manufacture. Example is making automobiles, making pots, cloth, etc. Trade, that is selling farm produce, shopkeeping, buying and selling of goods, known as trade. Then providing service. Example is those given by a teacher, a doctor, a banker. So we move on to our first occupation, nature based occupation, that is agriculture. Now, what is the importance of agriculture? Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country gets food because farmers work in the fields. It is a very hard task working in the fields. Our food includes items such as bhakri, chapati, rice, dals, vegetables, and salads. When the farmers work in the field, then only we are able to get all these food grains, vegetables, fruits. These items are prepared from crops grown in the fields. Crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables that are grown in the fields. Children, our other needs are also taken care through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Textiles made from cotton are used to make garments. Then farming of fruits, flowers, and medicinal plants is also carried out on a large scale. Children, medicinal plants such as aloe vera, tulsi, neem, turmeric, ginger, they cure several common allergies. These are considered as home remedy in many parts of our country. Now, children, agro-based occupations. Agro-based occupations are industries which include, they are related to textile, paper, sugar. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Fodder is created in fields. Now, this is used to feed cows, buffaloes, and sheep. Thus, as we cultivate the land, we can raise these animals also. We obtain milk, meat, and leather from animals. Grain is grown in fields. It can be used to feed chickens. Fruit grown on farms can be used to prepare squashes, jams, and jellies. Squashes are, children, of the pulp of the fruit juice, which is used to prepare fruit juices. The pulp of the fruit is used to prepare squashes. Sheep rearing, poultry, animal husbandry, and fruit processing are all occupations dependent on agriculture. They are called agro based occupations. Some village occupations are family businesses. Sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before them. However, in our country, we can choose the job we want to. Children, agro based industries use agricultural products as raw material. For example, cotton textile, silk textile, and jute industry. These are all related to agro based occupations. Now, the remaining part of the lesson, children, we are going to continue in our next video.